let's see how to add shapefile in ArcGlobe to see the accuracy of the projection of that shapefile. Same as like ArcMap, in here click add data. Now browse your shapefile. Here I am going to add this shapefile named USA Counties. Click add. Then click finish. In the table of content, this shapefile is added below this all base map layer. To make this visible, we need to drag this on the upper side of these layers. Now our shapefile is visible. Not only that, same as like ArcMap, we can change the symbology, the features color of this shapefile. But before that, as we can see, the projection of this shapefile is accurate. This is a map of USA and it is showing the accurate place in USA, which means the projection is accurate. Now let's change the color of features. I'm going to Symbology, Categories. I will change the color based on state name. Add all values, apply, OK. The colors has changed based on state name. Now let's see how to add KML file in this ArcGlobe. To add KML, we need to go Customize in menu bar, then click Toolbars and click KML. This is the KML toolbar. In here, we can see an option Add KML Data. Click here. We need to add this KML named US States. Now click Open. The KML is added below those all layers. To see this KML, we need to drag this on the upper side of all layer. Here is our KML. To see the data inside this KML, we need to go Identify tool and then click any state. This is the data of this feature: state name, state FIPs, subregion, and so on. So in here we can see base map overlaying our shapefile in ArcGlobe. This is the power of ArcGlobe. Not only that, there are many more functions inside ArcGlobe.
And with this lecture, you have a resource file in where you will get this USA state shapefile as a zip file. Download this and use it for your practical task. Till then, enjoy GIS.